tourism. Yours truly, Teacher Steph and Teacher Jelly. Next is Mr. Rodrigo M. Rodriguez, our distinguished guest. And lastly, our guest speaker, Miss Alona A. Encinares, CESE.
To our administrator, Director Reynaldo M. Rosas MNSA. To our distinguished guest, Mr. Rodrigo M. Rodriguez Jr. He is from the Department of Education, Regional Division Office of Antipolo. He is the Assistant Schools Division Superintendent. Our guest speaker for today is from the Department of Education, Regional Division Office of Rizal. She is our very own Assistant Schools Division Superintendent, Miss Alona S. Encinares, CESE. To all our loving and supportive parents, friends, and relatives, to our beautiful and charming teachers, Teacher Steph and Teacher Jelly, and most especially to our movers and graduates.
Our speaker for today, Ms. Alona Encinares, is a true-blooded educator born into a family of teachers, which instilled in her a deep respect for the teaching professions from an early age. She has always been committed to upholding the values of education and proudly participates in activities that honors teachers and promote learnings. Ms. Encinares is a graduate of National Teachers College and holds a master's degree in educational management. Her professional journey is a testament to excellence and dedication. Starting as Teacher 1, she was immediately promoted to Master's Teacher after successfully passing the National Qualifying Examination for school heads, and she was appointed as elementary school principal and later advanced to the role of education program supervisor. Ms. Encinares excelled at every stage of her career. She has coached students to victory in journalism and other competition, and is highly regarded not only for her teaching, but also for her abilities in hosting and public speaking. Her unwavering dedication and exceptional performance have earned her the trust and admiration of senior officials within the Department of Education. Ms. Encinares has made significant contribution as a curriculum writer and sought-after resource speaker in national, regional, and division training programs. She has played a key role in DepEd, major initiatives such as the National English Proficiency Program, the Mother Tongue-based Multilingual Education, and K-12 program. Her engaging and insightful presentations have earned her a reputation of one of the most respected speakers in the Department of Education, Calabarzon. Rising to the ranks, Ms. Encinares eventually served as officer in charge, Assistant Schools Division Superintendent, in the Department of Education, Cavite City.
Itong dalawang teachers na to, na nasanay na ang mga bata na ito at handa na to, hindi na to mabubulaga sa susunod na antas ng kanilang pag-aaral. May nagko-compete na nga sa Hong Kong international contest, meaning, di ba? Magaling ang mga teachers, magaling ang produkto ng paaralan nito. Dito pa lang makikita na natin na talagang ang mga batang ito ay handa na sa susunod na ginto ng kanilang buhay. Sabi nga, I heard somebody say na, in the Smart Creative Child Integrated School, these kids were taught to be smart from the title itself. That is, to use their intelligence wisely. Sabi ng pangalawang term, creative, meaning to dream, to innovate, and to go beyond the ordinary. And of course, to be a child of integrity, meaning to act with compassion, respect for others. Doon pa lang, ikutan na natin, masasabi na natin na ang mga bata nito kahit ganyan sila ngayon, ka-hyper, yung mga yan ay handa na sa mga susunod na kabanata ng kanilang buhay at pag-aaral. Ngayon, mas tutuhog ako at tututok ako dito sa ating mga magulang. Sabi ko kanina kay Director, Sir Ray, malayo-layo pa ang lalakaran at tatahakin ng mga batang ito. Pero saan ako maninindigan at kakapit na sila nga ang ating katuwang sa tinatawag na bagong lipunan at maganda at produktibong bayan, kundi sa inyo. Asan niya ang mga mommy at daddy? Taas ang kamay, baka ate kasi yan magalit sa akin. Sabihin ko, mommy, ate pala. Bakit ganyan ang taas ng kamay ng mga mommy at daddy? Taas, you have to be proud. Andito yung anak niyo. Okay, eto ang mensahe ko sa inyo. First and foremost, I would like to thank all of you for serving as guiding light of these learners. Your love, patience, understanding, and sacrifice made this day possible. Naniniwala kayo doon? Kung wala yung sakripisyo na yun, wala tayo ngayon dito, di ba? Ang hinihiling ko lang sa inyo, mga kapwa ko nanay at mga tatay, is to continue on being the guiding light of these learners. Please do continue on guiding them. Please be there for them. Stand by them. Not just in the moments of triumph, but more so in times of struggle. Pag struggle ba, may iwan na? Mas matinding suporta ang kinakailangan doon. Sabi nga, ang anak ko po kasi nasa Ateneo Marie Aubrey Rosas, that you have successfully completed the basic requirements prescribed by the Department of Education under the Basic Education Curriculum. I am now confirming you as completers for school year 2024-2025. Congratulations.
My name is Elijah L. De La Cruz. I'm 6 years old. When I grow up, I want to be an engineer. My name
Ladies and gentlemen, with pride.
My name is Maxwell Gravine Tamibida. I was on. When I grow up, I want to be engineer. My name is Yeshua Ide'el Echabe. I'm 6 years old. I want to be a police officer. My name is Rachel Martin O'Harina. I'm 5 years old. My father is I wanted to be a chef.
Warm
My name is Osinke Kawasoro. Everyone is on. When I grow up, I want to be a policeman. My name is Angel Mirati Esmerio. I am 6 years old. When I grow up, I want to become a doctor. When I grow up, I want to be a marine. My name is Tewan Nataliti Rodrigo. When I grow up, I want to be a nurse. My name is Princess Amelia. When I grow up, I want to be a nurse.
Next is Teruel Nicola Chase S. Best in English, Best in Mathematics, BCB Award, Right on Time Rockstar, Sunshine Award, and Most Improved Child. Next, Teruel Zembriel C. Best in English, Best in Reading, BCB Award, Kinder Body Award, Honest Kid Award, Great Giver Award, and Most Improved Child. Award, Compliance Star Award, Sanction Award, and Most Improved Child. Next, Lopez Zamara Sohi, Best in Mathematics, Best in Reading, also Martis Award, Busy Bee Award, Brave Soul Award, and Batang Masigasig Award.
Sit down na, Sen. Smile. Sen, Pogi.
Beaver Award, and Happy Helper Award. Ay, dako, yung tek. Opo. Next, Sumulong Samuel Pablo A. with honors. Best in English, Best in Reading, Busy Bee Award, Eager Beaver Award, and Great Beaver Award. Next, Kapel Kaden Zaire A. with honors. Best in Mathematics, Best in Writing, Cleanup Shop, Compliance Star Award, Determined Kid Award, and Eager Beaver Award. BS with honors. Best in English, Busy Bee Award, Right on Time Rockstar, Most Improved Child, and Team Player Award. Best in Writing, Graceful Dancer Award, Awesome Attitude Award, Eager Beaver Award, Extra Minor Award, Kinder Body Award, Self-Care Star Award, and Golden Heart Award. Leon D. with honors. Best in Mathematics, Best in Writing, Word Weaver Award, Graceful Dancer Award, Awesome Attitude Award, Compliance Star Award, Eager Beaver Award, Batang Masigasig Award, Kinder Leader Award, and Great Giver Award. Big one. Sorry. Mabulit ako, sir. With honors, Best in Mathematics, Best in Reading, Public Speaker Award, Athletics Award, Eager Explorer Award, Batang Magalang Award, Mapagbigay Award. Award, Eager Explorer Award, Mapagbigay Award, Best in Drawing and Arts, Leadership Awards, English Spelling Quiz Bee, 3rd place. With honors, Best in English, Best in Mathematics, Best in Values Education, Best in Writing, Eager Explorer Award, Batang Magalang Award, Mapagbigay Award, Most Outstanding Student, Best in Drawing and Arts, The Voice Award, English Spelling Quiz Bee, 1st place. Again, let's give them a warm round of applause. Gabriel G. with honors, Best in Mathematics. Eager Beaver Award, Great Giver Award, Golden Heart Award, Happy Helper Award, and Most Improved Child. And Chavez Yeshua Israel A. with honors. Best in English and Reading, Best in Filipino, Best in Writing, Star Reader, Word Reader Award, Kinder Leader Award, Extra Miler Award, Batang Masigasig Award, and Eager Beaver Award. Matthew O. with honors. Best in English and Reading, Best in Mathematics, Eager Beaver Award, Team Player Award, Happy Helper Award, and Golden Heart Award. Wong Austin James G. with honors. Best in Filipino, Best in Mathematics, Best in English and Reading, Star Reader, Best in Writing, Little Teacher Award, Compliant Star Award, Eager Beaver Award, Independent Explorer Award, and Sunshine Award. Esmeralda Ainel Mira G. with honors. Best in English and Reading, Best in Mathematics, Best in Writing, Awesome Artist Award, Little Teacher Award, Compliant Star Award, Eager Beaver Award, Right on Time Rockstar, and Happy Helper Award. With honors. Best in Filipino, Best in English and Reading, Best in Mathematics, Awesome Artist Award, Word Weaver Award, Little Teacher Award, Compliant Star Award, Eager Beaver Award, Right on Time Rockstar, Happy Helper Award, and Great Giver Award. Lautinko Stella Natalie D. with honors. Best in Filipino, Awesome Artist Award, Graceful Dancer Award, Eager Beaver Award, Golden Heart Award, Compliant Star Award, Great Giver Award, and Most Improved Child. Artist Award, Eager Beaver Award, Golden Heart Award, Great Giver Award, Legal Teacher Award, Sunshine Award, and Most Improved Child. Ms. Aloya and Mr. Rodrigo. Thank you very much po. Again, congratulations SSCA for a job well done. Give yourself a warm round of applause. No one achieves success without Richard Matthew O. Malinaw from the big ones level to deliver his word of thanks. A warm round of applause.
All children yesterday. Kindergarten is right here. Learn many new things. Every day to basic memories. Thank you to our teachers too and families. Thank you for helping us grow.
Thank you, Kaltrag. As we celebrate to let you know you made me grow. I feel so good, it's true. So glad that I have you. You love me so. I'm all is
Half the world is sleeping, half the world's awake. Half can hear their hearts beat, half just hear them break. I am but a traveler in most everywhere. Ask me what you want to know. What a journey it has been. In the end is not in sight, but the stars.
Music. Thank you.
Before we officially conclude this ceremony, we would like to express our gratitude for all those who have made this occasion a success. To our school administrator, our school director, our guest speaker, our visitors, our students, and our dear parents, and also our PTA officers, thank you very much. To our dearest graduate and movers, we salute you for you have survived the school year. We hope that your academic journey will be full with commitment, passion, and hard work that will lead you to empower yourself to face the real challenges ahead. Once again, congratulations and good luck on your future endeavors. This is Teacher Shali.
This is Teacher Steph. Congratulations.